What's good, taw.v family? What's good, taw.v family? Now y'all know I'm back at it again with another video. Today's a special video because not only just once, I got my wonderful, beautiful nephew today with me today. As I try to drop y'all some content. But what we're gonna do, I know y'all saw the description below, how to repair dreadlocks. Hey, how to repair your locks after you dyed them. I have a lot of damaged locks, and if y'all can see, I got a few products that I am going to use to my hair today use a few products on my hair today to get it repaired. So let's see how that takes out, okay? In the meantime,
telling my story is my purpose. I'm hoping that my story told to the very end. I got a purpose, yeah. I got a purpose, yeah. These niggas be mad, cause a nigga got a purpose, yeah. Niggas got a purpose. I got a purpose, yeah. 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 These niggas be mad, cause a nigga got a purpose, yeah.
so welcome back. Sorry about that small delay. I had to go ahead and put down my nephew. But besides that, we're gonna go ahead and get into the products that we're gonna be using on our journey today on how to repair, retwist dyed locks, okay? So the first product that we're gonna be using, a very most popular product, is that Jamaican Mango Lime Locking Gel. Now this product is used among all locticians. I mean, everybody uses this, so I'm not even gonna really get into that. Also, the other product that we're gonna be using is clips. The clips is for my locks or at a shorter length, just to hold the locks into place. Also, we're going to be using water for moisturizer. We got rose water and coconut water, both great waters to hydrate your locks. And also, we're going to have the Jamaican black castor oil. Now, I don't never put this on my head directly nor on my locks because it's a very heavy product, and I'm all about the natural and nutrients that my hair already produce. I usually mix this with my rose water or coconut water, shaking that, spray it on my hair at a distance just to get my hair a little bit more moisturizer. But you really do not need to put this on your head. Again, like I said, it's a very thick product. Also, we are going to be using a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner that does have its own oils too as well that is mixed in there, that is going to definitely brighten your hair, especially that dye, like if you got dye hair, it definitely brings your color. It definitely it definitely brings the color out of your hair. So I've definitely been using this for as long as before I even had locks, even when I had my hair dyed before. I love the product. Very cheap too as well. And also, last but not least, we are going to be using crochet hooks. We have two different sizes, a 0.75 millimeter and a 0.5 millimeter. Now, I will be using the 0.5 millimeter in my head just because of the size of my locks. Some are very small, so I definitely want to get, I'm merging about 10 locks together. I would say 10 or 14 locks together to just make it a little bit thicker. And some of my hair has separated from the lock itself at the root due to people that has high top dreads. Definitely barbers, they cut it, and due to bleaching as well, it's not a very great thing to do. That weakens your hair. Just that itself, just those two things had weaken some hair around the dreads. So we're gonna be using this method to repair those dreads. So let's go ahead and get into 360, and then we're gonna wash it and we're gonna get back to you. Okay, so let's go ahead. Alright, so I'm back. I just washed my hair. Alright, right now I don't dry my hair with a towel. I use like a shirt or something. Yeah, and this is how I draw my hair, especially because I got definitely a wig dread back here. I always just like take my shirt and just grab it. And I just squeeze the water out my dread, especially that one, just to make sure I don't got no, I don't rub them, like, because I don't want to pull my hair, like, you know what I'm saying, see the stragglers. So I don't rub them like this, I just squeeze them, like squeezing all the water out. Some, like, I don't really have to worry about. Almost done drying. If you got locks, like, comment below. Tell me what, like, the method that y'all dry y'all hair and what y'all find that was very useful, especially that people that has color in their hair, such as me. I'm saying that's already damaging your hair. So, what is the safest way how y'all dry y'all hair? Comment below. Y'all see that? That's still soap and stuff in my locks. Tell me if y'all having the same problem. Shout out to the dread gangs out there. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag locks on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Comment, hashtag locks. Right there. So we're going to be using right now. So first, I am going to section my hair into sections. On there got these little rubber bands, so I do want to do this one since it is more on the, yeah, it's like 2 already, so I do have my nephew, so let's go ahead and get to this, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm not using the comb, okay? So I'm going to use my fingers and I am going to section it. I just didn't want my dress to be, you know, like perfect, because our hair is not perfect, so I don't want to do that. So I'm going to grab as much hair in this, okay, and we're going to separate the other hairs, make sure, and then I am doing finger twists, so I'm going to twist it first. We'll get it to, I do wear this dread in the front, so it's gonna be like, I'm gonna do is twist it. I'm going to start, okay, this, I'm going to start like, okay, here's my thumb. I'm going to start crocheting it after that, okay? Because at the end of the day, I still want that twist. There you go. And we're gonna go towards the root and we're going to make sure it twists. So this, I'm just gonna twist it a little bit just to start it. And I'm gonna leave this a little room so I'll be able to still have it twisted and flow the way it wants to flow. So you can only do this if your hair is loose, like you still have loose hair or new growth. So I'm going in and out the dread, if y'all can see nothing. You know what I'm saying? It still has that little give me up there. I want it enough, so you see I can still stick that in there. I still want enough to be able to still, when I twist my whole hair, it's there. And the only reason I'm doing this one is because I merged 2 smaller dreads together. But we're almost done. See, it's starting to look like one dread. Okay, so we'll do this just a few more. We're just gonna do that there. So. reason why like it's more easier to do this lock is because it wasn't locked all the way. Again, this is an easy method that you can do it yourself. I see a lot of people does it this way. So if y'all see this, like it is completely one. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, but I have a lot of stragglers at the end. Let's see. I'm going to fold it over like that. Fold it over. And then I'm going to start where the piece flips over at. So I'm going to come here, add it into that dread. I'm going to go in, out, and out. And then I'm going to twist. And out and twist. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get back to y'all, and then we're gonna see a blended dread. All right, be back. Now this dread is completed. It still has some little stragglers. I'm gonna clean it up later. But the last thing I'm gonna do is going to roll it. Okay, just to get that some frizzies. We just got a couple more, but y'all can see it's all one dread now. Okay, still got room at the root for a retwist so it can fall when it needs to fall. And that's it. That's pretty much it. How to crochet hook your dreads just like that. Wow. Alright, so this is where we at now. All finished retwisting. Okay, we got a haircut, y'all. Okay, y'all see that? We got the haircut. Alright, so right now I'm about to go ahead and take out the clips. See what we got. Me and a few friends, we're coming up. We're giving back to the community. Shout out to Chris P. If y'all seen his work, what he did was he went to McDonald's here where I stay at, close to LeBron James. Where LeBron James used to play at by St. V. That McDonald's right there, and bought about 75 McDoubles to give back to the community. And all you had to do is go up there and say his name, and you got a McDouble. And that's all he was asking. He wasn't even asking for anything, and apparently it went viral. And you know, he's doing his thing. But anyway, give out thanks to him. He came up with an idea to just get more people involved, more of his community involved. And I'm one of those people to help out. And right now we're just coming up with different ideas to give back to the community. So comment below if you had any ideas about giving back to the community. I had a couple ideas, like making a little box and putting little essentials in there, like some noodles, a couple bottles of water, and also you know, a little card of encouragement. You know, we always need that. Though it's not a lot, it's still something, you know. And I'm just a type of person that's more, when it comes to, I want to touch more to people's hearts than people's pockets. So that's what my idea was. So again, comment below and tell me what y'all think of what we should do. We definitely need the help, and we there. We got it. This is the finished product. So what do y'all think how I did? We got a couple merge dreads. I got a little shake now. So yeah, 360. So hopefully y'all seen it. Again, this video is not gonna be long. Probably come back in a couple days and see what style we can put this in. But right now they a little stiff, and especially like I said, I had a couple, y'all seen that, I had a couple dreads that was merged together. But let me know how I did. Comment below. Keep subscribing. Share it. And again, I'm looking for you guys' help if y'all can help me out. taw.v family, all the family. Again, this is a whole vibe. Comment below to see what we can do to help the community. What would you like to see this YouTube in the future and stuff? Like, I need ideas. So yeah, so this is how retwist, repair your own dreads